the boy was unhappy at school. He dreaded the sound of the bell that started break time. He longed for the end of the school day when he could retreat to his safe space, where he would sit on a swing, hung from a tree, and talk. I've had enough. It happens every day. I used to think it was a joke, but now it hurts.
It's okay. You're strong. Don't let them get to you. Besides, you will always have me.
And in the allotment, the boy in the tree would talk and talk for ages, bringing happiness and joy to one another. But what the boy didn't realise was that when he wasn't talking to the tree was also unhappy. The boy was unaware of how we are damaging the trees and our environment. The boy was shocked to find the tree looking so sick. He tried to wake the tree up.
Save me. Save us. Save nature.
But there was nothing he could do to save his friend. But maybe there was something else that he could do. And he remembered what his friend the tree had told him about being strong. Inspired by his friendship with the tree, the boy was able to convince his community to take a fresh look at the environment. And they started by planting lots and lots and lots of trees so everyone could be a friend of nature.